Good morning. I'm at the Morongo Valley Cafe. I just had a phenomenal home-cooked breakfast. Like, seriously, so good. I'm just kind of hanging out, enjoying the day. I've been up for a while doing listings and trying to get things organized from the road. So I kind of looked around and I'm like, all right, what is my activity of the day going to be? And I think it is going to be this really unique looking vintage mart up the road a little bit. So let's go. It is absolutely freaking beautiful here. I hope I'm not making you guys dizzy. I guess I'm not showing you the most beautiful part. It's like a road in the middle of beauty, but trust me when I say it's awesome. I am in the Yucca Valley. I just arrived at Route 62 Vintage Mart. It looks really, really eclectic, which doesn't surprise me because my whole drive here was filled with artsy, eclectic buildings. And of course, let us not forget the beautiful mountain deserts. Yeah, this is really cool. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that tree, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, that tree smells so good. Let's go in. Oh my gosh, look at that painting. Oh, this is so fun. Wow, and it's really, really perfect out here in the shade. Oh, super into it. Look at that super cool stretchy bracelet. It looks like lucite and almost looks like it's got bakelite too. It's 45 and 50% off, I think. And then they have this bracelet. That one's 95. I really think that's lucite and bakelite and plastic. I'm not sure. Looks really neat. I was not wrong when I said it looked eclectic in here. This is so fun. What a nice change of pace. I'm like strangely drawn to this. I think I'm becoming sun-fried desert hippie. And though I normally don't go for brown, this is neat. Look at this bag. 55, but I think it's on sale if I'm not mistaken. That's very cool. Whoa. Look at this pottery situation happening. I love those angels. Oh, that one too. Oh my gosh. The deer. So much unique pottery out here. Very cool. I love the pigeons. Huh. This is so fun. Interesting. Oh, the penguins are amazing. And of course, a lot of California pottery. Look at these cool carved elephant bookends. They're so heavy though. Probably expensive. I would not want to ship those. And the little chalkboard dog. Definitely a little spendy. Oh, I love the little metal cross. I used to have a bunch of stuff like that when I was younger. Spaghetti poodles, 24. That's a lot less expensive than a lot of the ones I've seen out west. Spaghetti poodles seem to be very, very spendy out here. Well, I was kind of admiring the frog and lion bookends when I spotted this gem. 14. She's got some damage, a little bit of wear. Let me see if what this sign says. 30% off chrome. Okay, well, this definitely isn't considered chrome. I'm kind of tempted to pick her up. She's so fantastic at 14. Oh, but now this dress has my attention. 98. This is really interesting. Antique 1940s dress. How fantastic. The buttons say, I love you. Friendship heart. Interesting. Very modern art. Cool. Oh my gosh, I love the trivets. 16 each though. Well, I really like the outdoor metal garden. I will say I'm a little turned off. They had this case that had a thing said 50 cents trinkets and tokens, and the one I picked out in it was actually $50. So that was kind of a buzzkill. I feel like you should definitely separate 50-cent items from $50 items. But let's go check out this back building. Cat. Wait, I'm so confused. DB 50% off. So this thing's $12.50. There's no zero or something on it, is there? This is really neat. Wales, Japan. I wonder if it is actually 50% off. I'm feeling a little untrustworthy of the signs after my 50 cents to $50 experience. But if this is in fact $12.50, I will definitely pick this up. Oh my gosh, look at this hat. How fantastic. Wow. This is neat too. Oh, I love this color. How cool. Love the daisy painting and the cats and Maryland's. Oh my gosh, look at the ballerina in that frame too, nevertheless. 45. Oh, do I want to ship that? That's the question, because it's 50% off unless their sign, like I said, has some cat. I don't think I want to ship that. It's a little big. Taking one last look before I go back to the main building. Not really seeing much trinkety stuff. Oh, there's more than I thought. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I love that. Really pretty lamp too. There is a lot going on over here. That's kind of different. Here's another one of those 1980s cat vases. I'm like determined to find one for a decent resale price. This one's $20 and 30% off. So $14, I think it's still a little close. What about, it's interesting. What's this one? No. Whoa, what is going on here? It looks lenticular. That is very strange. And this, of course, is gorgeous. Looks like she's got real hair. I'm not crazy about the frame, though. Ooh, and I love the drip pottery. This is such a pretty color. All right, I kind of can't let it go. For $14, it's too cute. It might not be the best deal, but if that cat is actually 50% off, then, ooh, interesting. If the cat is actually 50% off, then I'll chalk it up to having a good cost average. Cute, missing its top. Yeah, I think that's it here. Well, I spent $29 in there. I feel pretty good about it. I feel like the cat will bring that alone. Maybe not my speed entirely, but now I can say I did it. I think we're gonna go down the road, maybe check out some local culture and enjoy this weather before it gets to the too hot part of the day. These have really felt like vacation days the past 2 days. I know my videos are kind of all over the place probably. I haven't watched it back to edit it yet. Once again, I'm unmiked, unstabilized. I don't have my phone cage on. I am gonna go to a couple little vintage shops, so I might show some highlights, but this is really just for me. One thing that California does like nobody else is cars. Dude, I wanna be obsessed with the Cadillac, but surprisingly, I'm really into this Pinto. Like super, super into this Pinto. Like trade my bug in. Oh my gosh, how fun. I love it. Oh my gosh, those letters. Look at how awesome those letters are. I really want one. You think it would fit on my roof? Nitty gritty, antiques, oddities, vintage, and collectibles. I like this. This seems like it's maybe more my speed. I can't get over these letters. Well, a couple things pop out to me. One are these really bizarre neon overall jumpsuit thing. And this red polka dot dress. I'm such a big fan of polka dots. This is so cool. I wish it wasn't made for like a tiny child. How neat are these boots? So cool. Whoa. So nice. Oh, the teapot. This is kind of fun. It looks like otajiri almost. I don't think it is, but I feel like it would be marked. Monkey Bank. Oh my gosh, how cute. 13. Well, I popped next door, and this is definitely a pretty ritzy place, but oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. I'm sure it's very, very expensive. Yeah, for sure. Very cool though. That's like exactly what I want. Oh my gosh, I love this little patch. $22 for a patch. Not even I can justify that on vacation. I know it's handmade, but that's a little wild for me. Well, one of these things stands out from the others for sure. $40. Does not surprise me. Nothing's gonna surprise me at this point. Just for comparison, I need to see how much the Norcrest Owl's off. $40, okay. What about this? $40. So salt and pepper shakers here are $40. That's really, really silly. This is not my place for sure. It's definitely a little too she for me. I'm a little bit more on the shabby than the chic side. These trucker hats are neat though. So even though this isn't really my scene and it's definitely not my price range, I'm having a really fun time just kind of walking around, exploring, feeling like a tourist. I think I'm gonna go to a couple more. Epic, epic, epic vintage clothing. I just went to Pioneer Antiques, and oh my gosh, how cute. That one's probably 80s. This is definitely an older one. The pair for 28. That's not crazy, actually. Some really interesting stuff in here. This appears to be Italian, maybe? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. 1930s head vase, 78. That is fantastic. Oh, this is neat too. What is it, Buster Doggy Throwback? Oh, toothpick holder. Wow. It's got some damage on it, but I don't think that's an unreasonable price whatsoever. I don't have my setup, so my camera situation's a little funky. I wasn't expecting to be enthralled enough to video anymore. Wow, neat. This is definitely more my speed. This is perhaps the best sifter I've ever seen. That is so fantastic, and it's only at 18. Oh my gosh, look at this Ormolu perfume bottle. 38. Wait, why is this $38? I'm very confused. 38. All right, I need to inspect this further. Okay, so I see maybe it's got like a little spot missing right there. No. All right, I'm gonna take this up to the front and inspect it. This is really freaking cool. Let me see if it's broken on the inside. Maybe that, no, it's intact. That's amazing. I have looked and looked, and I do not see anything wrong with it. For $38, I'm gonna start a pile. And this is a fantastic ashtray set. It is French. It's $30 for the whole thing. What? It's kind of a steal. I'm kind of curious. Why is it so cheap? There's some really amazing things hidden in here. Yeah, so this one is at 35, which isn't anywhere near as fantastic as that perfume bottle I found. Wow, is this Italian? This is gorgeous. This is a really neat place. I'm glad I stumbled in here. Slag glass church lamp. Well, this belt definitely caught my attention too. It's got some serious weight to it. It's kind of neat. I like the big old buckle on it. Looks really well made. Michael Morrison. Huh. And it's 22. I might see if that fits. I might look up what that maker is, that brand, because it's really neat. I mean, it's also $22. Anything even close to that I've found, I used to have this, has been insanely expensive. This is really cool though. I'm gonna look that up. This thing is awesome. It fits really well. It adds a lot of weight for sure, but it looks like they sell on eBay anywhere from like 100 to 150. So for 22 bucks, especially since it fits, I don't think I'm gonna find a better one. And if I do, well, I know where to take this. And then I'm also super into this vintage 80s skirt. That's really fun. This red dress, nothing. These are neat too. Huh. Yeah, I am super into this place. This is by far my favorite place I've been. This is crazy. Pictorial LA Cali lamp. Really interesting. It looks like slag glass almost, except it's obviously plastic. This is so cool. The buckle. This is amazing. Whoa. Feather pull. That's so pretty. And wait a minute. Is this what I think it is? It is a Fenton clown. I've never seen that before. Fenton clown, huh? $24. It's really interesting. And then, not sure what's going on here. It's, gosh, so much weird stuff. I like it. I like the little dog. And this cute little doll. Oh my gosh, look at this little fish. Onyx Fish, Mexico. That is so fun. Look at this. That's so neat. Some really neat bracelets in here. I'm a big fan of this one. I think that says 18 though. I'm gonna guess, right? Let's see, what are the other prices like? 18, yeah, I'm gonna guess 18. That would make sense. And then the red one's really fun. That one's at 22. It's funky. And of course I see the art glass vase. That's really pretty. Even though it's not really my thing. Black and white. I'm super into this place. I love this bowl. It's a really interesting design on that. It's like dragonfish. And I love this Sasha B pottery box jar thing. The sun's getting to me for sure. I feel like I just ate and I need to eat again to bring me back down to life. Huh. I was sifting through the personalized children's belts here. I was kind of secretly hoping to find one my size with my name. Look at like the Ginny one. Those are so fun. I've actually bought and sold those a couple times. It took a while, but they did sell for decent money. And this snapshot of the old photo album. Oh my gosh. I love the leather. 18 though, that doesn't really surprise me. The prices have been super reasonable here, especially considering its competitors are on the corner. Oh my gosh, look at that bear. Cool.